and welcome students to our English class. From this video we are going to start with our English grammar. So in the very first video of the grammar, first of all, I would like to tell you about the letter formation. In this video we will learn how to write a proper letter. But before that you should know how many types of letter are there. Basically, you can say the letters can be divided into two categories. First is formal and other one is informal. Formal letters are those which are written for official purposes, right? Maybe you're writing some letters to office, some editors, newspaper editor, or some booksellers. All those are formal letters which are written for official purpose. You can say whether you're writing to a collector or an editor or manager or director, all these letters they comes under the category of formal letters. So let's discuss about the formal letter. When we are going to write a formal letter, at the very beginning you have to write the address, that is sender's address, the person who is sending the letter, address of that person. After that you have to put the date at the time when you are writing, and you have to write the date in this format. After that leave a blank line and you have to write the receiver's designation and address. Means you have to write the designation or post of the person to whom you are writing. Maybe if you are writing to the editor, so for example, so you have to write to the editor and his address. Again you have to leave a blank line and after that you have to write salutation. Salutation means how you want to address that person, respected sir or respected madam. Then in next line you have to write the subject. Subject means the purpose of writing the letter, why you're writing the letter, and you have to write a very small short description about the letter. And then starts the from next line starts the body of the letter. Always remember students, the body of the letter should be divided into three parts, means three very short paragraphs. In the first paragraph you will write the introduction, right? Introduction means it includes attention acquired from receiver, and in detail you after that in main content. In second paragraph you have to write the main thing, why you're writing the letter, and after that at the end you have to conclude the letter, you have to write the conclusion. Then in next line you have to write the complimentary closing, means you are closing the letter, so you have to write thanking you or hoping for your kind consideration, such kind of sentences. With that sentence you will end the body part, and at the very end you will write name of the sender and designation, means the person, name of the person who is writing the letter, his name and his designation. And this is the proper way to write a formal letter. And if we talk about the informal letter means all the letters which you are writing to your friends, to your relatives, to your family members, all those letters they come under the category of informal letters, right? So in informal letters your letters start with, again at the beginning you have to write the address of the writer, means if you are writing the letter, so you have to write your own address. After that you have to write the date in this format. Then you will write the salutation, how you want to address the person. If you're writing to your sister, brother, friend, so you have to write that thing, dear papa or dear friend or dear mama or whatever you want to. Again in from next line comes the body part. In body part again you have to write the introduction first, short description about your letter, and then the main content, why you are writing the letter, what information you want to give to the person whom you are writing, and at the last you have to conclude the letter, end the letter, and at the very last you have to write your name, along with the subscription. Means in this letter, because this is informal letter, here you will not write your sincerely or your obediently kind of, you will write your lovingly, because this letter you are writing to a friend or to your relative or to your parents. So this is the way how to write an informal letter. Now next is our application. So here you can see the format of the application, how to write an application. You can divide the complete application into three parts. In the very first part, you will write the receiver's address. Receivers means who is receiving the, means to whom you are writing the application. Suppose there are so many times it happen that you will get a question that you have to write an application to your principal. So here you will write the principal, name of the school and the complete address. After that, put the date. Then subject. Subject means you have to tell a very short description why you are writing that application. Suppose, for example, you are writing an application to issue to your principal for issuing your school leaving certificate. So in subject you will write application for school leaving certificate. And from next line you will start with sir or madam. Then comes your main body. In your main body you will write the complete description of the application, why you're writing an application, the purpose you have to write, and at the end, because this is application, so at the end you have to write yours obediently, right? And you will not write xyz if it xyz if in the application it is not given, right? You have to write your own name. But if in the application it is written that suppose you are xyz and you have to write an application to your principal regarding school leaving certificate, at that time you have to write xyz, not your name. Okay, so this is the proper way to write letters and applications. Letter also we have discussed that letters are of two types, formal and informal, and format also already we have discussed, and this is the format for application. And today I will send you one application also. So I hope now you can write any type of letter and application. Thanks for watching this video. Do take care of yourself and your family members. Bye bye.